Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Alright, y'all, it is old school soul food deal of the week. Thursday morning. Y'all know I've been doing these for the past couple of months. And today I got something very awesome to share with y'all. It's from the same company that make these nice skillets that I showed y'all maybe a couple of weeks ago. This Michelangelo, the company. They sent me out something that I use very, very much. Meat grinder. Y'all know a lot of people y'all know that I either have my meat processed or I grind my own meat. I buy my meat fresh in bulk, or sometimes I harvest my own meat and I'll grind it. I make my own sausage. I make my own ground beef. And maybe I'll show y'all how I do that. Now that I got another meat grinder, because mine had actually went out and I was using my KitchenAid mixer to kind of grind, but doing my meat grinder, I have it processed. But they sent me out a meat grinder, and I'm going to open this up. Matter of fact, I'm going to step out and open it up. I don't know how hard it is to open this. I'm getting where every box I get here lately is hard to open. So, yeah, Michelangelo, and the code is THANKS 2021. I'm going to put the product code, discount code if you like it. Some people don't like the grinder on me. I grew up, my mom used to make, my daddy too, we made our own pork sausage, our own hamburger. We processed and harvested our own beef. Of course, we had a processor to do some, but some we would do ourselves. Fresh ground chicken, when I make ground, maybe chicken burgers and stuff like that, I buy it in bulk. Anytime you buy meat in bulk, it's already, you process later, it's a lot cheaper. So anyway, I'm going to step off, I'm going to come back and have this all boxed out, and I'm going to show y'all how this thing looks. Awesome product, meat grinder, you can't go wrong. It's to me, it's very valuable product to have in the house. Like I say, I process a lot of meat, especially sausage and hamburger meat. So anyway, I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, y'all, we back. Okay, I got it out of the box here. We're going to take this plastic and stuff off of here and show y'all what we got here. Really, really heavy duty, number one. I see that already. Heavy duty product. I like the way it's built. Got the cover plate here. And you got the actual, the main thing where the meat comes out of. I think this is a little safety switch thing here. Okay, right there. It's the main blade. You got a couple of them. Probably, usually you have a couple of them. Let's see how many we got here. Yeah. You got the small, kind of stick together like a magnet. Look at that. Stick together. You got the small grade, and you got the big grade, which I very seldom use something like this. I will use the big one. See if we can put this thing together, y'all. So the meat goes in there, and this goes up to the front here. There we go. It locks right in place. And you can see, y'all, that this has another blade in here too. And this is the main, this is the blade. See the blade right here? This is the grinder here. Put it back in there. This goes. And this goes here. This spins on here. Back on here. Alright, there you go. This plate goes on here, or you can put your meat in there, and this what sucks, pushes the meat down in here. Or you got this also, this here. Let's see here, this blade on here. I don't think this attachment even need to go on there. I think it's just a safety thing when you're not using it. But it's very simple to use, y'all. And this one even more simple than the one I had before. Because you put your meat in here, little strips, put it in there, push it down in there. It's very simple. I love it. And what I love about this machine here, you can see, let me turn it to the side. See how small and compact it is? And it won't take a lot of room up in my appliance room. I got a room special for all my appliances. Y'all probably say, what he put up? I got a special room in my house just for these things. So yeah, This might be something you're interested in. I'll put the price in the description of the video also, and the discount code. And like I said, it's the same company, Michelangelo, come with the instruction booklet. Same people that have these awesome skillets that I showed y'all a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, nice food meat grinder. They sent out to me as well. I said, yeah, I definitely will use this. Because I definitely was using my my attachment, meat grinder on my KitchenAid attachment. So yeah. So that's the old school soul food deal of the week. I got about 5 more in the next 5 weeks to share with y'all. I'm still, like I was telling y'all before, I'm still negotiating with this company, Olive Nation. It has all kinds of seasoning and flavors. It's amazing. Olive Nation, they're a major company, and I got a collaboration with them that I really, really hope they take off. They already sent me some products. I'm just trying to get a good product code from them for y'all. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2021. This is November. Got 2 more months. This month and 1 more. Help somebody. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.